What if the secret to fighting off daily toxins and protecting your DNA was hiding in something as simple as a handful of tiny green sprouts? Imagine your body under constant attack, pollution, processed foods, stress, all hammering your cells with damage. But nature has a hidden switch, and it turns out young broccoli sprouts contain one of the most powerful activators on the planet, sulforaphane. This potent phytochemical is far more concentrated in the sprouts than in mature broccoli. When you eat them, something remarkable happens inside you. Sulforaphane flips on the NRF2 pathway, a master regulator deep inside your cells. Think of NRF2 as your body's elite cleanup crew director. Once activated, it orchestrates a full-scale cellular detox operation. Toxins that have built up over years, your cells start purging them systematically. Damaged proteins get cleared out. Harmful compounds get neutralized before they can cause more chaos. It's like giving your body a deep spring cleaning at the microscopic level. But here's where it gets even better. Sulforaphane doesn't just clean house, it reinforces your DNA. It shields your genetic code from oxidative stress, that invisible rust that eats away at our cells every single day. By supporting natural repair mechanisms, it helps maintain the integrity of your blueprint, the very instructions that keep you alive and thriving. Scientists have been amazed by how this one compound from such a humble source can trigger such widespread resilience. It's not some rare exotic plant. It's something you can grow on your kitchen counter in just a few days. The real twist? This isn't about megadoses or complicated routines. Just consistently adding these nutrient-dense sprouts can unlock a natural defense system your body already possesses, but often leaves dormant in our modern world. So next time you're reaching for something to boost your health, remember those little sprouts. They're not just food, they're a powerful key to long-term biological armor. Your cells are fighting for you every second. Give them the signal they need, and they'll reward you with greater vitality and protection from the inside out. What if the simplest greens on Earth were holding the most sophisticated protection? Start small. Your future self will thank you.